Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
A little girl lives in a village. She wears a red hood. Everyone calls her Little Red Riding Hood. Her grandmother is sick. Her mother gives her a basket. The basket has food and cake. She must walk through the forest. Her mother says, "Be careful. Do not talk to strangers." Little Red Riding Hood walks into the forest. She sees beautiful flowers. A big wolf comes to her. "Hello, little girl," says the wolf. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to my grandmother's house. She is sick." The wolf runs to the grandmother's house. He eats the grandmother. He puts on her clothes. He gets into her bed. Little Red Riding Hood arrives. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have, the better to see you, my dear." "Grandmother, what big ears you have, the better to hear you, my dear." "Grandmother, what big teeth you have, the better to eat you." The wolf jumps at her. A hunter hears her scream. He runs into the house. He saves Little Red Riding Hood. He saves the grandmother too. They are all happy. Little Red Riding Hood goes home safely.
Learn with LingoStories.app.